Hi everyone. This video is just going to be short and sweet to the point. I'm doing a giveaway when I reach 100 subscribers. So right now I'm sitting at 88, so hopefully within the week we'll get up to 100 and I can do the drawing. So all goes well, next Saturday I'll draw it. If I don't hit that number by next week, I'll do it the next Saturday. I'm going to end it on a Saturday. So depending if we hit it this week or next, or even if it takes 3 weeks, I don't know how long it's going to take. But today is Saturday, and hopefully next Saturday we'll get it done. But I bought this Deco Arts 12-pack, and this is going to be the prize. Now, I know I have a lot of people that have subscribed that are out of the country, and I'm going to keep this one to the US only, not because I don't want to include you guys. It's just with customs and duty tax and all that kind of stuff, I don't know how that would be. And so I'm going to have to look into that. So before my next drawing, I'm going to look into that so I can include more people into this drawing. And I just want to say thank you, all those people. I know I have some from France, and I have some from Italy and that I've talked to. And I really appreciate you guys subscribing and watching my videos and everything. So I will be doing another drawing in the future and make sure that it'll be international. But this is what it is for today. So if you're in the US and you would like to join my drawing, all you have to do is be a subscriber and then comment below that you'd like to be in the drawing. Let's see, what can we put? Maybe put your favorite color or something. I don't know, just put something. And then even if you just say, "Hi Sue," I don't care, just anything. And so your name's down below there, and I'll take all the names that are listed there and make sure you guys are subscribers, and if you are, I'll put you in the drawing and we'll pick a name on the Saturday after I reach 100. So hopefully either this weekend or this following weekend or the one after, and that, but we'll see how it goes. So thank you so much everybody, and I hope one of you is the lucky winner. See you later. Bye.